let's just have a quick overview of Java. Java is a programming language, which we are just going to see shortly here what Java is and how are we using out, right? So let's just have a small definition here, a basic understanding of Java, like introduction of Java. Okay, I hope my screen is visible, everyone. So Java is a high-level language, okay, object-oriented programming language that was created by James Baldwin. Okay, so it's actually a high-level language. So what is high-level language now, right? So it's a kind of language which is used out by the developers or by the user, that is for programming purpose, for coding purpose. Okay, so it's an easier language, okay, user understandable language. So of course it's following orienting concepts. That means it's following out the real world entity concepts, right? We will see further what are the OOPS concepts, that means object oriented programming concepts, in detail in further videos. I just have a small definition part here for Java. So it's developed by James Baldwin at Sun Microsystem and released in 1995. Okay, so it's used to build all kinds of applications, like of course Java is a programming language, so it is used out for different applications such as mobile apps, web apps, desktop softwares, and even for designing out the games, right? So one of the coolest things about Java is platform independence. Okay, we can, like, it is actually a platform independent language. We can use Java at any of the platform, right? Whenever we want, and at any time, right? So that means you can write your code once and run it anywhere. That means that, right? So thanks to something called the concept of Java Virtual Machine, okay, or JVM. And further we'll introduce JDK and JRE. Guys, I'll just explain you JVM, JDK and JRE in the next part. Let's just have a basic understanding for Java. So Java is a programming language which is a high level language. Okay, it's like the father of Java was James Baldwin. Okay, that was developed in 1995 for the purpose of following out OOPS concepts, designing out web applications and all. So yeah, this is a kind of a small introduction about Java. So let me just show you a simple code. Okay, okay, here let's see an example. Like, of course, for it is used for big companies nowadays, right? Google, Amazon, Netflix. Let's just have a quick overview, only just quick overview. I'll explain out these things further in detail. Let's just have a basic understanding. How does the Java code looks like, right? So this is how code is like getting started. I'll introduce out this code in the next one. Hope you understand the basic concept, actually the basic definition of Java, right? So yeah, let's meet